Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of fashion with a spotlight on the GORGLITTER women's backless mesh ruched Bodycon midi dress. If you're on the hunt for the best tie-dye print, ruched, slit casual dress in the market, you've come to the right place. This stunning dress is crafted from a blend of 95% polyester and 5% elastane, offering both comfort and a figure-hugging bodycon fit.
Its unique tie-dye pattern ensures that each piece is one of a kind, perfect for those who love to stand out in style. Let's talk about the fabric and design.
The dress features a high-stretch mesh fabric that drapes beautifully, accentuating your curves in all the right places. The backless detail adds a touch of allure, making it ideal for various occasions. Whether it's a casual outing, a beach vacation, or a summer party with friends. The ruched detailing along the sides not only adds a trendy vibe but also enhances the silhouette, giving you that effortlessly chic look.
Plus, the slit thigh accentuates your legs, adding a hint of elegance to the overall design.
For maintenance, it's straightforward. This dress is machine washable, ensuring easy care and longevity. It's designed for comfort and convenience without compromising on style. Whether you pair it with sandals for a relaxed vibe or dress it up with heels and accessories for a night out, this dress adapts effortlessly to your personal style and the occasion. In conclusion, the GORGLITTER women's backless mesh ruched bodycon midi dress is not just a piece of clothing, it's a statement. With its unique tie-dye print, flattering bodycon fit, and versatile design, it's no wonder this dress is making waves in the fashion world. That wraps up today's review.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful,
don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and fashion insights.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.